Hello everyone, my name is Nakul Goel and I'm the International Recruitment Manager South Asia for Lasalle College. Lasalle College, we are a part of LPI Education and we have 23 higher education network campuses across 5 different continents. So to name around in Canada, we have in Montreal, which is our headquartered campus, and then we have in Vancouver, Melbourne, and Spain. So LaSalle College Montreal, we are a semi-public institution, which is a subsidized institution in Montreal with more than 6,000 students on campus, and we are one of the largest bilingual college in North America. So we have like 60 plus programs to offer in Montreal, to name with business, IT, hospitality, culinary, early childhood, special care, and so on. And then, of course, you are eligible for the PGWP right after your programs in Montreal campus. With the one in Vancouver, we have been offering such unique programs like we have a 2 years of Associate of Arts degree program, which is of course eligible at the scholarship bursaries, and then for your work rights. Plus, we offers like the programs into games design and VFX, animation, hospitality, culinary. We've been offering some other bachelors and diplomas into bachelors of design into fashion, graphic, interior, and then we have been offering the diploma programs in the same field, which is bachelor's graphic and interior as well. So LaSalle College, Vancouver, we've been ranked number one school in and the top number one school in Canada for the games design and VFX by the Princeton Review ranking, and we have a really high employability rate in BC. So we just wanted to tell you that I'm very excited to say that we are coming up and participating in the Canadian Colleges and University Admission Fair, which has been organized by Canam. With Canam, we really have got a long year of partnership with the team, and they have an experienced team of experts who can not only help you for the program and the institution choice, but also they've been super strong in the visa counseling. And we have got some amazing students who've been studying at our different campuses that is applied through Canam team. So I would really prefer you to meet me in person, which has been organized by Canam in different cities, in different hotels. In case you couldn't meet me or you couldn't travel for some reason, you can definitely connect with me in a virtual format, which is in the room number 58. That's where I am in from the 7th to the 18th of September. And I look forward to see you and help you in the events being organized there. So see you then. Be safe. Thank you very much.